Hey, what is going on, guys? This is Popcorn Willy. Sorry about not uploading. So today we're gonna try Hershey's Gold pretzels and peanuts. So this is the review, and this is what it looks like. And so we're gonna try it, open it for the very first time. I know this is gonna be a short video, but we're gonna try it.
See if we like it.
And this is what it looks like. Wow, the review of the taste.
Let's say it has in it pretzels and
Hershey's. Oh, you're gonna get it all wet. Oh my gosh, this is the best ever, and you should get this at Target. It's so good. If you're not subscribed yet to my video, go right ahead, subscribe. If you're new, turn on notifications. If you're new to this channel.
peanuts and pretzels.
I just really want good Hershey's.
Kind of tastes like peanut butter a little bit.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yes.
We give it a thumbs up. Have a great day.
See ya, bye, subscribe.